Hello everyone, my name is Toshihiro. I am a Japanese. Let's study Uzbek language. Let's get started.
Let's go. Wow, so we have a wedding right here. And to congratulate somebody, okay? With wedding or like New Year or something. Okay, tabrik laiman.
Tabrik Layman.
So it's like congratulations, okay? Tabrik laiman. Do Uyghurs use it? Tabrik laiman? Yeah. So yeah, tabrik laiman. Next is Tuğulgan kuning bilan.
Tug'ilgan kuning bilan.
So it is happy birthday. Yes. Okay, next is Yangi yil bilan.
Yangi yil bilan.
It's Happy New Year. Yeah. Talabalik bilan tabriklayman.
Talabalik bilan tabriklayman.
Yes. So talabalik. What is talaba? Yeah, student. Yeah, student. Yeah. For example, somebody got into a university, they are a student now, and now you say, oh, congratulations on becoming a student, right? And next is yangi shingiz bilan tabriklayman.
Yangi ishingiz bilan tabriklayman.
Yangi shingiz. Congratulations, you got a new job, right? Okay, next is to'ylar muborak.
To'ylar muborak.
Yes, so happy wedding ceremony kind of thing. And the last one, let's finish this. So chaqaloq bilan tabriklayman.
Great job. Chaqaloq bilan tabriklayman.
Chaqaloq is it's a baby. It's a baby. Yes? Yes. So new parents, they got a baby, and you say chaqaloq bilan tabriklayman. Last one is baxtli bo'ling.
Baxtli bo'ling.
Yeah. So be happy kind of thing. Okay. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Rahmat. Rahmat sizga ham. Ko'rishguncha, xayr.